Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to this video. These are the best adult networks you could sign up for free and start making money today as soon as you send traffic to these offers. These offers convert like wildfire, okay? This one right here, this is Crackrevenue with a ton of offers. They have 600 offers for just adult alone. And by the way, let's branch out real quick and explain something very powerful. If you promote anything outside of adult, you can make a lot of money as well. Okay, I'm talking, you can go on ClickBank, Digistore, Maxbounty, and a bunch of other networks. You can promote offers that are not adult related at all, and you can make a lot of money. You can do drop shipping. You can do all sorts of stuff. You can make your own offers, okay? And you guys can absolutely demolish, but Crackrevenue is my favorite, and it is the biggest out of all of them. Okay, this one right here is called Adult Force. And Adult Force is a massive network as well. They're pretty big. Um, they're the biggest in adult, basically. Okay, they got a whole team here. They're showing, and their offers. I looked into it, and they're mainly offers that are kind of like they work well with in-stream ads on adult. Okay, with on adult videos before the video's played. Basically, it's like a video in-stream ad, just like on YouTube. Okay. If we look at their blog real quick, we can see Make Money with Adult Marketing. There you go. You can go check that out. Definitive guide. Just a bunch of stuff they're teaching. Then the tools they have. They've got advanced SEO stats. They got some top offers. They got leading support, autopilot tech, exclusive tools, top payouts. I would say they just have unique offers. I mean, they may have offers that Crackrevenue does not have, and Crackrevenue has offers that Adult Force does not have either. Okay. So the next network's called CPA Matica. Okay. Now this network is a good one as well. Okay. This is the one I put as third because they literally have a lot of partners. They have a lot of freaking offers. Okay. If we go to their blog here, we can see that they're teaching some good stuff about adults and stuff like this, but they have a good amount of offers that you can promote and make money with. Okay. So I do recommend CPA Matica. The next one is City Ads. There is a top offer right now with adult, the whole entire industry that's crushing it with City Ads. Okay. It's called Content Empire or whatever. Okay. It's a big offer. It's a gaming offer. You can promote it very cheaply, and it's making a lot of money right now. It's on City Ads. You can check it out. Uh, it's crazy how good the offer is performing, and I highly recommend it. If you look over here, they actually show you offers, okay, where you can see. I didn't want to log into my account here. Where can we find it? It doesn't matter, but at the end of the day, they've got a lot here. So dating, boom, we can look there if you want. We have to press search, I think. Okay, there we go. So the thing is, City Ads, bro, City Ads. Okay, they only have a few just for the dating, but they have more for just games and stuff like this. Okay, so there's a lot. Search, let's see it. Boom, baby, games. And you can actually promote just straight up games that are not adult related. Once again, like you can crush it. You can absolutely demolish, make huge returns promoting stuff like this. Okay. Now, I don't know if they're going to show you the offer I mentioned, but it is in there. Okay, I've been promoting it. It's very powerful. So, Click Dealer is the next one. Okay, Click Dealer, baby. Click Dealer is powerful, and a lot of people like Click Dealer because they actually give you guys big prizes. Okay, if you reach certain pinnacles. I haven't found offers that I particularly like, and I haven't really promoted anything on Click Dealer at all. Okay, but they have so many offers. They have so many offers you guys can crush it with. Look, you got sweepstakes. You got gaming, okay, you got mobile subscriptions, you got a lot of offers here you can crush it with. And once again, the cool thing is they have a lot of incentives from what I've seen. By the way, the smart link is not as smart as you think. Most smart links are actually not that great, but it really depends on your strategy behind it, okay? I've discovered some very crazy strategies I will share on this channel for free in upcoming videos, so subscribe for that. But yeah, crazy. If you want to look at what they say about the smart link. 100% monetization, baby. Payout threshold, geo worldwide. So there's powerful ways to do this. What you want is you want to get the cheapest traffic on earth, okay? Pop under is a great way, but I will be sharing in depth how to how to crush it, okay, with smart links, okay? So the next site is called Toro Advertising Affiliate Network, baby. Okay, so this network right here, powerful, okay? Basically, they have a lot of offers. They say that they have thousands of offers, okay? Not just in adult, they have it in a bunch of other um, verticals here. They have a lot. They have a lot of good offers. So affiliates, publishers, you go there. I mean, it just clicks down. Okay, you can even see the blog. I mean, it's a good network if it's got a good blog. I find it interesting they don't have like YouTube channels very much. They really don't. Most of these networks. But dude, Toro Advertising's been around for a long time. They got a lot of offers, like a lot of offers. And so that on the list is number 5, I believe. So the next one to show you guys is called A1 Revenue. This is a good adult network. It's very exclusive in a way. They don't have like ton of offers, so it's not like the best ever. It's like they have like only a few offers, and they're very saturated if you think about it, okay? And usually they just promote their own offers, so they kind of have a network just to get their own advertisers, and then they'll bring in a few affiliates, and they're mainly doing their own stuff, okay? So it's not like you get signed up for it and it's amazing. You want to get signed up for Crackrevenue and an Adult Force and City Ads and all the ones I showed in the beginning, okay? Now the next one's interesting. I like this one a lot. This one's called VMG. It's kind of just like A1 Revenue here, but it's called VY Media Group, okay? And Tuan V, if you don't know who he is, he kind of owns this network. He's kind of like a personal brand behind the network in a way. And he's got some good offers here, okay? He's just like A1 Revenue doesn't have a ton of offers, and they mainly just promote it themselves and only accept a few affiliates at a time. I had a look inside the network. I didn't find anything I wanted to promote, but you may find something you want to promote and you should do it. The coolest thing about this network is this right here. Hey, look how cool this is. Okay, so let's keep going. Cell Health is another one I use a lot. Okay, they got some crazy offers, okay? So you go straight to Men's Health and you can crush it. This one right here, demolishing right now, okay, an adult. It's literally a massive, massive offer you guys can make a lot of money with, okay? Semen Axe. You can literally copy the ads and make money overnight, okay? I'll show you guys in a video how to actually promote it. This one right here is the next best, okay? They give you a list of what are the best offers, okay? It's this one first, then this one, and I think some other ones outside of that. I think this one was one of them, I think, from the list. I don't know where the list is anymore, but I just looked at the 2 top ones. I promoted those. So Brain Pill, pretty good. Okay. And yeah, guys, those are the best networks. And if I was to tell anyone what to do, it's definitely Crackrevenue first. Get signed up on there. You can go to my website that links to it, and you can get accepted way easier, okay? Because they do have to approve you. They do have to allow you guys in. If you guys want to use a spy tool, you can check that out down below. If you want mentorship, check that out down below. If you want more training, like paid information, which is most valuable, you can check that out down below. And I'll see you guys later, learning machines. Go freaking crush it. Go make a lot of money. Peace. Flipping out.